Hello, I am Sri and CBTU presents a course on Java language. Section Introduction. The topics covered in this are principles, versions, platform, and Java implementations. These are the Java principles that make it the number one programming language in the world. The design goal of Java is its portability. The programs written in Java platform must be run on any combination of hardware and operating system with adequate runtime support. This is achieved by compiling the Java code into an intermediate representation called Java bytecode. Java bytecode instructions are analogous to machine code and they are intended to be executed by the Java virtual machine that is written specifically for the host hardware. Java Runtime Environment JRE is available on most of the platforms and no need to install the complete Java software to run the Java program. The 5 primary goals of Java language design are simple, object-oriented and familiar syntax like C, C++, robust and secure, architectural neutral and portability, execute with high performance, interpreted, threaded and must be dynamic language. Java code is compiled into bytecode that makes it portable. Interpreting bytecode into the machine instructions is easy and executed with high performance. The other features of Java include its independent language, concurrent computing, class-based object-oriented programming, write once and run anywhere. This is the most important feature of it. Java applications can run on any JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Java APIs are available for interacting to your application and it has cross-platform capability. We are hearing most often JDK, JRE, JVM. What are they? JVM is virtual machine that runs the Java bytecode. JRE, Java Runtime Environment. It has JVM plus some other components and Java libraries. And JDK, Java Development Kit. It includes everything. JRE, JVM, compilers, debuggers and everything. Right? So while practicing, you will be using JDK. You need JDK to compile, debug and test your program. Any implementation, if available across platforms, it will be most popular. And Oracle Java implementations are available on almost all the platforms. Oracle implementations are packaged into two different distributions, Java Runtime Environment and JDK. And as earlier discussed, OpenJDK is a notable Java SE implementation licensed under GNU GPL, developed and supported by the Oracle itself. Automatic memory management is another feature of Java. It uses automatic garbage collector to manage memory in object lifecycle. No need of manual memory management. You will understand this better in later part of our journey. Java doesn't support C, C++ style pointers. That is the reason for adopting Java towards enhanced security. Write some code, compile it, and that generates class file. That is nothing but bytecode. The JVM on any machine understands that bytecode and executes it. Other popular Java programs are browser supported Java applets. They are small programs written in Java, runs in web browsers. Applications, standalone applications. They can be run on single computer or over the network. When you are working on a big project, you will have lot of source files and other dependencies. Packaging all these Java files together into a single file is Java archive file, that is jar file. Servlets, they run on the web server and fetches the information dynamically to display the information in the web pages. Swing application, that is to build applications that has GUI, graphical user interface. EJB, that is Enterprise Java Beans, that runs on the web server and is used for enterprise application development. Initial version of Java released in 1996, JDK 1.0. And down the journey, the latest one is Java SE 15, released in September 2020. This is the latest version. Okay, having talked about the background information of Java, let us dive into more practical Java.